front of me is TCL NXTpaper 11 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by opening Photos app and clicking on Photos or Collections on the left. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, hold one of your pictures to get rid of and select multiple thanks to those dots at the top left corners. To keep some, tap on them, and to get rid of the rest, use Bin button. Then confirm your choice in the pop-ups. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!